Oh, a good fish here. Whoa, that is a monster. Brown by the looks of it. Oh yeah, that is a big fish. It's brown, might be a tench. I don't know. It's got like dark fins. Could be a carp even, I don't know. Oh no, still can't tell. Could be a tench, could be a brown. What is it? Oh, I think that's a tench. Oh, maybe they come that big. Or is it a carp? I still don't know what it is. Oh man. Here it comes. Well, hi all. Today I'm fishing Lake Wendouree. I said I was going to come here. I kept looking at the forecast and it just showed that it was windy, continuously windy, and I thought after 3 weeks of waiting patiently, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go, and yeah, so here I am. I'm just fishing a couple of damsel flies. So yeah, Lake Wendouree on the fly, out of a kayak. Oh, a good fish here. It's my first fish at Wendouree. Whoa, that is a monster. Brown by the looks of it. Oh. Whoa. Oh yeah, that is a big fish. It's a brown, might be a tench. I don't know. It's got like dark fins. Could be a carp even. I don't know. Have not seen it surface yet. Oh, no. I have caught one tench here before, and it was a pretty big fish. Oh no, still can't tell. Could be a tench, could be a brown. Definitely not a rainbow, it's a golden coloured fish. Here it comes. I don't think it's a carp because I didn't see any big lips when it got up to the surface. So there's a powerful fish. Oh. What is it? Oh, I think it's a tench. I think. It's a huge tench if it is one. Oh. And here they come that big. Or is it a carp? I still don't know what it is. Whatever it is, it's got to be around 50 centimetres plus. I don't know, it's a goldy colour. I don't think it's a trout. I'm thinking it's a tench. Oh. Come on. Oh man. it comes. Here it comes. What is that? Ah, that's a carp. It is a carp. That is a carp. It's a huge carp. I never knew they came in such a golden colour. It's hang about. What have we done here? Well, g'day. This is the first fish for the day, but I'm not sure what it is. I think it might be a tench. I think it's a tench, but then it's got lips like a carp. I mean, you identify it, you know. I mean, it looks like a carp. Look at those lips, but they're not orange. Yeah, look, they're big lips like a carp. It's a dark olivey green. I don't know. I think it might be a tench, but that is a huge fish. I'll just measure it. It's 48 centimetres. It doesn't smell. Carp usually smells. I've got a feeling it's a tench. It's got really small scales. So look at that. That's a pretty big tench. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. And the eyes are like a reddy colour. So I'm thinking that's definitely a tench. So there you go. I never knew they were. That's the second fish I've caught at Wendouree, and both fish that I've ever caught here have been tench. So there you go. I mean, I could be wrong, but anyway, that's it. I'll get it back in the water. I don't think it's a carp because the scales are just too small. I think it's just a huge tench. I never knew they grew this big, but there it is. Huge tench. I just do a mixture of fast and slow retrieval. I was just doing a slow retrieval like this, and then gave it one strip, and then when I went to grab it, bang, that tench was on. So I'll keep to that technique. Maybe it'll work. It's quite shallow, this lake, so it's you can easily get snagged. There's all reed over there, so I'll just sort of set myself up about 30 metres away from all that reed, hoping that if the fish are in that reed, they'll just duck out and come and collect my fly. Otherwise, I'm just going to get snagged if I go too close to it. So yeah, I've had to anchor up because the wind's blowing me towards that. So yeah, that's the way I'm doing things. And even as I'm retrieving now, I'm feeling some reed every now and again. So just keep at it. But I'm happy. I've got first one in fresh water in the kayak. Well, casting hasn't been too bad. Like you can see here, I've got this tangled in the pedals, but that's my own fault because I didn't have the line in the water. But it's been pretty manageable. Like, I can't complain. I've taken the rod holders off that I had on there, and just try to minimise where I can get hooked up. So yeah, that's all you can do. See, there's a big pelican flying around. So I'm actually standing in the kayak for the first time. I've never tried to fish standing. I mean, it's windy, but to be honest with you, it's quite stable. I'm surprised I don't cast. There we go. Yeah, that was a good cast. So yes, standing on this Hobie's pretty good for fly casting. I mean, it's not choppy. I wouldn't be doing it if there were big waves, but yeah, I just thought I'd stand up for a bit, and yeah, it's good. Just thought I'd share that. Well, it's been a really hard session here at Wendouree. I really thought you know, I might do a bit better. I've only managed to catch that one big tench. I mean, that was a lovely fish, but yeah, it's been really slow. It's very windy today. I'm trying to find, you know, like some areas where it's not so windy, and looking for fish that are rising, and I'm not seeing too much happening on the water. Well, in the whole day I've seen 3 fish rise, and that was it. So yeah, and I've moved around a bit. I mean, I've tried to cover a bit of the lake. I mean, first time here. You know, I don't know where all the hot spots are, but I noticed there were a few swallows jumping into the water here, so there must have been something rising. But as of yet, this afternoon hasn't been productive at all. But that's what happens. Some days you have a good day and some days you just don't. So maybe it's, I mean, it was supposed to be cloudy today. It was supposed to be low wind, but it's totally the opposite. Sunny and high winds. I think they were around 25 kilometres an hour. But I did manage to stand on the kayak, and standing and fishing off it, fly fishing off it, was pretty good. Got to keep your eye out on all the things that you can snag on, and you want to try and keep your line in the water. That's what I found. If it's in the water, it's not going to hook onto anything. So that's what I've learnt with the kayak fly fishing. But it's doable, so it's not a deterrent. Well, that's about it for today. Hasn't been real productive, but you know what, I'm getting a good cardio with the kayak, I gotta say. Caught that one tench. It's around about 5:30 now. I think I'll call it quits for the day. But yeah, it's been a nice day. It's a beautiful lake. I mean, there are some nice big trout in here, but it wasn't my day today for them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me catch that tench, and that's about it for today. So if you like my videos, you know, think about subscribing, that'd be great. Give it a like if you're liking them, and if you want to comment, leave a comment. I'll always return your comments. So yeah, thanks for watching, and God bless. Bye.